Government is likely to send a presidential reference to Supreme Court for conducting a probe into the allegation of sexual harassment against Justice retired A.K. Ganguly after Attorney General has endorsed it. The Home Ministry is expected to place a note for sending a presidential reference before the Union Cabinet, soon incorporating the views of Attorney General G.E. Vanavati, who has noted that a case can be made out against Ganguly following allegations of unwelcome behavior towards a woman law intern. Sources said once the Cabinet clears the proposal, it will be sent to President Pranab Mukherjee for approval. Justice Ganguly continuing to evade the media, but he broke his silence on Monday, writing a letter to the Chief Justice of India. He alleged that some people are trying to tarnish his image and are trying to take revenge against him over some of his judgments. Retorting to his claims, the law intern in a blog has hinted that she may file a police complaint against him. The intern has written, "Those who have been spreading rumors and politicizing the issue are doing so out of prejudice and malice to obfuscate the issue and escape scrutiny and accountability. I have the discernment to pursue appropriate proceedings at appropriate times. I ask that my autonomy be respected fully. Anyone claiming that my statements are false is showing disrespect not just to me but also to the Supreme Court of India." After law intern's fresh statement, pressure is mounting on Justice Ganguly to resign. In Kolkata, the All India Legal Aid Forum staged a protest demanding Ganguly's resignation. Political parties have also called for Ganguly's resignation.
कानून सबके लिए बराबर है और जिस तरह की आजकल शिकायतें आई हैं ब्यूरोक्रेसी से, जुडिशरी से, लेजिस्लेचर से, मीडिया से, खासतौर पर यौन शोषण को लेकर के, ये बड़ा चिंता का विषय है और इसमें हर आदमी को कोऑपरेट करना चाहिए। और जस्टिस गंगुली तो खुद जज रहे हैं, मैं समझता हूं उन्हें कानून को काम करने देना चाहिए।
उनके ऊपर आरोप लगे हैं, तथाकथित आरोप हैं, और ऐसे में उनके लिए बढ़िया होगा कि नैतिकता के आधार पे वह इस्तीफा दे दें और यदि उनको लगता है कि वह गलत नहीं है तो कानून के सामने आए। जो जो कागजात उनको चाहिए, जो नहीं मिले हैं, वो मांग लें और कम से कम यदि उनको लगता है कि वह इसमें इन्वॉल्व नहीं है तो फिर कानूनी कार्रवाई करें। रोज फजीहत क्यों करवा रहे हैं अपनी?
जस्टिस गांगुली को ह्यूमन राइट्स कमीशन के चेयरमैन पद से हटाया जाना चाहिए।
Law intern's allegations against Ganguly are quite serious, and the three-member committee of the Supreme Court has maintained that there was misconduct on his part. Mamata Banerjee even wrote to the President calling for removal of Justice Ganguly from the chairmanship of the West Bengal Human Rights Commission. The centre is also considering sending a presidential reference to Supreme Court for conducting a probe against Justice Ganguly. Bureau Report, DD News.